We are not just building for now. We are building something that will last.
When you approach a new development like this, what are the first engineering factors you assess before construction begins?
Honestly, we assess the land, the soil, the water table, and the environment, where the building will sit. If we get it right at this stage, every other thing becomes much easier.
What specific day-to-day on-site practices ensure structural integrity as construction progresses?
On a daily basis, there is active site supervision. The site engineer and the supervisor monitors every stage of the activity, check for alignments, and check for reinforcement placement. Before any major work is done, like casting and reinforcement placement, there is thorough inspection and sign-off. Nothing moves blindly. Everything is checked in real time.
When it comes to long-term durability, what materials and construction specifications make the biggest difference?
Durability starts with getting the quality materials, such as the marine boards, the high-quality cement, well-graded reinforcements, and standard reinforcement bars. Getting them alone does not guarantee durability, but the right use of these materials, the right mix ratios, proper placement of concretes, and each compaction guarantees durability. Because even the best materials won't perform if they are not handled correctly.
How do you ensure that the architectural design is translated into a structurally safe building on site?
Before construction, the structural engineer and the architect, they align together and also align the drawings to ensure that what will be executed will be as expected. On site, we don't improvise. We follow strictly what is specified on the design drawings.
With multiple developments happening at the same time, how do you maintain consistent quality across all the sites?
We operate a standardized system across all our sites. Same construction method, quality expectations, and supervision structure applies everywhere. This allows us to maintain a level of consistency irrespective of the location.
What are some of the most common mistakes you see on construction sites generally, and how does our team avoid them here?
A lot of sites rush through the process and cut corners, especially with materials and supervision. We are very strict on that. We follow things strictly and do things the way it should be done, and as well, we make use of the right materials.
How often do you personally inspect the site, and what exactly are you looking for during those inspections?
I am on site quite often. You always find me in any of the 3 sites. I ensure I inspect the structure, the work procedures, and the alignments.
Many buyers may not understand what happens beneath the surface. Can you explain the importance of the foundation and soil testing in developments like this?
The foundation is everything. It's that part of the building that carries the entire weight in the structure. Soil tests help us to evaluate the type of foundation can be used for a specific structure. It also tells us the engineering properties on that soil. If it's not done properly, then the building is at risk.
For someone considering buying into any of the developments, what would you say should give them confidence about the engineering and construction quality of the projects?
I would say is the attention to details. For planning to execution, everything is done properly and checked along the way. We are not just building for now. We are building something that will last.
Nevada Luxury Homes. Crafting legacies, elevating lifestyles.